We're getting some updates now coming in at this point, and this is the medical apathy that has been reported in Guwahati, where a case in which a woman who has tested positive for COVID-19 was left to fend for herself at the Guwahati Medical College and the hospital. The woman, a health worker, was brought by ambulance from her home and she was dropped at the entrance of the hospital. The woman was allegedly told to walk inside the hospital all by herself. In fact, the woman who was there, the COVID-positive patient, ran from pillar to post asking for help, but she did not get any help. Additionally, the woman later came out and stood on the footpath for hours outside the hospital. The COVID patient later narrated her entire ordeal to the Times Network. Listen in.
हम इतना निरापद हुआ था, क्या करेगा क्या नहीं करेगा ऐसा लग गया हमको। किसको फोन करेगा किसको नहीं करेगा ऐसा लग गया हमको। जो हम पैदल पैदल घर चला जाएगा ऐसा सोचा।
अच्छा, क्या क्या हुआ था आप बताइए तो।
हमको लेके आया 2-2:30 बजे तक करीब ऐसे लेके आया। लेके आके हमको हमारे एम्बुलेंस में नेत्रालय का गेट के और एक पॉजिटिव उठाया। उठाने के बाद हमको इधर में उतार देके उसको कालापार हॉस्पिटल में लेके गया। तो हम अंदर में घुस गया। घुस जाने के बाद हम उधर में जाकर डॉक्टर लोग को पूछा, जो हमको कोविड पॉजिटिव है हमको अभी क्या करना है। बोलता है हम आप कोविड हॉस्पिटल में जाइए। तो हम बोलता है हम कोविड हॉस्पिटल तो पसंद नहीं है, हम कहाँ जाएगा। आप लोग जाने का कोई व्यवस्था कीजिए। बोलता आप बैठो पहले बोला हमको इधर बैठो। बोलता हम बैठा हुआ था, बाद में बोलता आप दूर में जाके बैठो। तो हम थोड़ा दूर में जाके बैठा। बैठते देखा डॉक्टर तो पूरा यूनिफॉर्म चेंज कर दिया। दूसरा डॉक्टर आया। आने के बाद में हमको कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं है, तो हम अंदर से निकल के आया, क्योंकि हम एक तो पॉजिटिव पेशेंट है। हम दूसरा को पॉजिटिव करने का हमको कोई वो नहीं है, इच्छा नहीं है। इसीलिए हम बाहर में आके एक जगह में खड़ा हुआ।
This is a very shocking incident if we are to believe what this lady is saying. She is saying that she had given a swab for COVID-19 test, and yesterday she was called up from the health department and she was told that she has come COVID positive. And after that, today morning, she was brought by an ambulance to this Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, but she was left outside and she was asked to help herself inside as to what to do. She is right now in no position to as to say what she will be doing right now. So this is in fact a shocking incident if we are to believe what the lady is saying. And if she is really a COVID positive patient, why this carelessness on the part of the health department? Because if she is a positive case, you can see a lot of people are right now passing by her, and nobody knows if she about what she claims, that she is a COVID positive patient. So this is how she is waiting outside Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, and she doesn't know what to do.
Meanwhile, the Times Network also confronted the Guwahati Medical College and the hospital superintendent on this entire issue. He said that the strict action will be initiated against all those who are behind this gross negligence.
Usually, see, when a patient comes here, the shifting of COVID positive patients are usually done. It is done by the shifting group of district administration. It is a highly well-organized team effort done by the district administration. But this patient was brought here, and on the gate this patient was, as alleged, the patient was left in the gate, and the driver said that please go walk to the COVID hospital. Thinking all that, we are trying to locate the ambulance driver who spoke like this from 108. And these sort of intentional mistakes done, which I will say is intentional, is very shocking and saddening. So we hope to get the names of the persons involved in it. And it is, from my side, I feel it's negligence and action should be taken.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of the news. My colleague Afrida will be back with the latest headlines on the other side.